Country closely reflects on the ambush in Dallas and the dangers faced by all those who carry a badge.
Okay,
And
so
DC's
this
Ron
kid
Lott has
is
the breaking
so
details.
handsome.
As officers secured the scene outside the Berrien County Courthouse,
we have him cornered on the second floor. He has a gun with a hostage.
the search was underway inside for the suspected gunman.
Run down.
It was shortly
You
before
okay,
2:30
Walter?
this afternoon on the third floor of the building. A shooting
Walter?
outside of a courtroom. 3 dead.
Walter,
the shooter.
are you okay, buddy? I love you. You're so handsome. You're such a handsome boy. I love you, Walter. I love you, buddy. Yes, I do. You're so handsome. You're such a handsome boy. Okay. You get some sleep. I love you, buddy. Good night, Walter. I'll see you later. Good boy. You itch your ear. You're so handsome. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. Oh, that's such a good yawn. Okay, bye-bye.
In the line of duty to 27, up from 16 a year ago. As yet another community has to come to grips with the